Behind me is my 2013 Toyota Highlander, and Kingery sent me these roof rack crossbars that are directly compatible with it, so I can show you what you get, the quality of it, and how to install it. So first and foremost, we have adjustment. So you see these screws right here? We can go in and out about 6 inches on either side. If we look right here, we do have a lock and it comes with 2 keys. You can pop that off. And then right in here you have this adjustment which you can utilize to apply tension to the actual roof rack. Now on the other side I already have it in there, but it comes with these rubber stops. These are an aggressive teeth pattern that are not going to damage your roof rails, but they are going to make it so that this does not slide all over the place. Another cool feature we have are right here. We have some tie down areas for straps, nets, or whatever you need to put on top so that you can get some added places to tie things down. Right out of the box, it does come with these stickers which you can take off because right here it is etched into the side there so that you can actually know how these are supposed to face. But I'll give you a hint, the loops, they go back. They give you everything to get them installed, so let's do that. They send you two. To get one of these installed took me all of 3 minutes to do so, and my biggest recommendation for you is to make sure that when you're doing this you have everything loose and then you tighten it down once you have it in place where you need it to go. The final version of this, it's nice and slim while also being compatible with most of your cargo boxes, your cargo racks, your kayak racks, bike racks, snowboard, ski, whatever. Look, this is a universal system that has a little bit of an advantage because everything just fits on these because there's an industry standard out there. Plus you get the hooks right there so that you can actually tie things down if you need to. Like if you wanted to just, I don't know, do a piece of plywood or something and you needed to strap it down, or you had a mattress, I don't care what you guys are hauling. The point is that these crossbars from Kingery, they're going to set you up right, give you everything you need, and you'll be ready to rock. So if you need a good high quality set of crossbars for your vehicle, the ones from Kingery, they're a great way to go.